Yeah, I have a washer and dryer at home, but with my king size comforter and pillow sets, I cannot afford to put them into my washer machine. So I have to find something big enough that's going to allow me to wash my blanket without tearing it up. So let's find us one that'll fit, and then I'll show you guys how big it is. What is this? Washer ready. How big is that? That look like it's too small. Let's leave this right here and see if we can find one bigger. Okay, these are larger, but they're full. So I guess we may have to work with that one. Okay, well, let's see what this one do. Well, it looked like I may need a card for this machine. So let's see how we pay. Touch here to get a new card. What? Oh, this is wow. $2.50 for every $50 loaded. We don't need that much. We're gonna use that same money from when we ate. Let's just see.
It's not happening. So I just want to let you know, are you taking a 6.5%? Yeah, that's my play. Oh, right. I think the approach in 2018 with these teams that they're still fighting for seeding, but they're in, you know, they come out strong, maybe they take their foot off the brake, there's a possibility of a back.
I can't put nothing else on it?
So getting out.
Okay.
They don't come out fast, and they slow down a little bit early, they're like, we're going to coast through this one, and they're like, hey, you got to pick it up in the second half.
What? This too much to wash clothes, I promise you. Way too much to be washing. But it's been a long time since I've been to the laundromat.
I don't understand. Every spread is 14.5. Double digits are 14.5. Yeah, I just feel like you could click a lot of these dogs. Like we're talking about, there might not be incentives.
And they let you use EBT. All right. Are we done? Okay.
Why you wouldn't just click the dogs?
And my blanket is really big, y'all. It's two-sided as well. And I didn't want to put this in my machine. It's huge. It's a king size. So, have to get something that won't tear it up. I also have a throw pillow. And then the 2 pillow shams. These are king size as well. Yes, ma'am, it's laundry day. Alrighty. Well, that fits. I'm glad. Oh, we're gonna put this in there as well, because this is how we gotta transport it back home. All right, ready to wash. $6.20. Ooh, wow. Delicates. Wow. Okay. Well, next. Okay, so it's heavy and then medium. Is it an additional? Okay. Wow. Press start. All right, well, here we go. So what I did was I mixed my bleach and my detergent together, only because I don't want to damage my blanket. So I pre-mixed it before I come here. This is my first time doing this. So if I like the way it turned out, I'll do it again. I can only imagine how much the dryer costs. And one thing I like about it, you guys, is that it sent me a washer code notification letting me know that my laundry was done. So I really appreciate that as well. So let me go on home and do what I gotta do. I'll be back. I did have to add $5 more to my card, y'all. But this is what I wanted. I will forever bring it to the laundry. Look at this. It looks amazing. It's not damaged. I'm going to do this moving forward because I like it when my stuff stay intact, especially when I spend a good pretty penny on it. Y'all, it feels so good. Smells really good. And I know it's going to be real fluffy when I'm done. Look at that. It's huge. So I'm going to do this every month just to wash and dry. This blanket comforter set is $10. So this one is down, so this one will be for up. I'm ready to dry. 25 minutes. Let's do 33 minutes to make sure everything is dry. Next, 33 minutes, pay. Start. All right. So I'm gonna do this every month, you guys. I like the way it turned out. All right, it's time. Let's see the finished product. That is so beautiful to me, y'all. Let's feel it. Okay, it's dry. It's dry. I just don't want it to be moist. All right, let's pull it out of the dryer. Yes, honey. It's time for you to go home and get on your bed. Yes. See, pay for the fluffiness. It's worth it. It's so worth it. Yes, honey. We're gonna sleep good tonight, y'all. Now I need can I come beside you? Thank you. I got to get something big enough where I can stretch it out, y'all. So let's fold these up. Yes. No damages. Ooh, let me not pull that. I don't want to mess it up. Cut it off when I get home. All right, we got to stretch this out so I can fold it up. Just take up this whole space so that it's not dragging on the floor. I do not like it when my covers touch the floor. I don't like it. See that? Yes, honey. And then just take it and fold it. I believe I brought this one from Ross. It was $79 for the set. Worth every penny. All right, roll it one more time. So if I do this twice a month, this is how I keep my sets clean. And fresh. All right, let's go. Yes, ma'am. I just try to, use my blanket so my blanket don't hit the floor. I do have some things that we're going to drop off at a storage unit. This is a clothing rack. And yeah, we're going to finish our day off. We're going to clean, and I may cook some dinner.